Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I am super excited to share with you my CVS haul that I was able to get this morning. These deals are good for the week of February 7th. So I was able to get $100 worth of products for free, and I actually made just over $1 buying it all. So of course, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I did that. But first, I wanted to say welcome to my new subscribers. I've noticed a number of new subscribers lately, so thank you. So glad you're here. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit that red subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest deals. And as always, I am super appreciative of all of my subscribers and your support. All right, so let's jump into these deals. Honestly, I wasn't expecting CVS to be that great this morning. I hadn't really looked at the ad until honestly this morning. And then when I got to the store, I just kept finding deals. And I've been going to the store a little bit later. And the reason for that is my store is never tagged for the new sale until later in the afternoon. And I just realized I was wasting too much of my time trying to figure out which product was on sale, which one wasn't, which one had extra care bucks. So I just started going to the store a little bit later. And I know that gets my videos out to you a little bit later, but it makes it so much easier on me to figure out the best deals while I'm there in the store. Okay, so let's start with a hair care deal. I had a CRT on my CVS app for $4 off an $18 hair care purchase. So I did two deals together. I did the L'Oreal Elvive and the Pantene deal together. So the Elvive deal, they are 2 for $8 this week. And when you buy two, you'll get $2 in extra care bucks back. There is a $4 off 2 coupon that you can print. I've included the link for that down in the description box below. Also in the Google document, you click on the Google document, it'll take you to a list of all of these deals, and it will link you to where you can print this coupon. So I was planning to pay $4, get $2 in extra care bucks back, making it $1 each. However, apparently I also had a $4 off 2 digital coupon clipped, and they both came off at the register. So the $4 off 2 that I had clipped to my card, as well as the $4 off 2 paper coupon that I handed to them. So I paid nothing for these, and I got $2 in extra care bucks back, making it a $2 moneymaker. Now, like I said, I combined that deal with the Pantene deal. So these smaller bottles of Pantene are on sale, 3 for $12 or $4.79 each. They're also on special for when you buy 4 of them, you get $6 in extra care bucks back. So I purchased 4. It doesn't matter what you grab. I grabbed 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners. Just make sure it's tagged as part of the buy 4, get $6 in extra care bucks back. So 3 of them will ring up for $12. 1 will ring up for $4.79. But there is a $5 off 3 Pantene digital coupon. Again, I had that $4 off an $18 hair care CRT on the CVS app. There is also a $1 off any Pantene in the Procter & Gamble that we recently got. You can use that because you're buying 4 products. The $5 is for buying 3, and then the $1 is for buying 1. So you would pay a total of $6.79. If you had all of those coupons, you would get $6 in extra care bucks back, making all 4 a total of 79 cents or 19 cents each. So that's a great deal if you like Pantene. And again, when I combine it with the Elvive, it ends up being a moneymaker. So that was a great deal on hair care. That was one I wasn't planning on doing this morning, but it just made sense when I got to the store. Another great deal, especially if you enjoy makeup wipes. I know I like to use these in the evening. The Garnier Micellar wipes, they are buy one, get one 40% off. So of course the pricing may vary by store. I think my store is actually a little expensive. These were $7.79. So one rang up $7.79, one will ring up $4.67. But I had two different $2 off any Garnier Micellar CRTs. So both of those came off. So I paid a total of $8.46. I got $5 in extra care bucks back for buying two of the Garnier products. And then Ibotta has an offer for $2 back on this, but it's a limit of one. So I got $2 back on Ibotta, making these both a total of $1.46. But these will count towards Beauty Club, just like the shampoo and conditioner did. So throughout my haul today, I did hit Beauty Club at least once. So that gave me $3 in extra care bucks back. I'm also really close to hitting it a second time. So that's a great deal. If you don't have the Ibotta app yet, I did include my referral link. That's in the printable document. If you use that, you will unlock your opportunity for like $20 back in welcome bonuses. I can't tell you exactly what they are because sometimes Ibotta will change up those bonuses, but I know using a referral code does unlock some additional savings for you. Okay, so this is a deal. I did not actually do this one this morning. I talked about it last week. I'll tell you about it again this week. I just didn't need it, and it's a little bit more expensive at my store. So these lotions at my store are $10.49 each. Other stores have them at $9.99. There's actually a store not even that far from me that has them priced at $9.99. So if they're priced at that lower price point, it's an amazing deal. It's still a great deal even at the higher price point. I just didn't need it. So $10.49 each. When you spend $20, you'll get $10 back. So you buy two of them. That would be a total of $20.98. There is a $4 off $20 in lotion CRT that I had on my card. And then there is a $2 off Eucerin Printable, again, linked in that printable document below. Also, if you've not been to the Eucerin website, they have a place where you can print $3 or $3.50 off coupons. So let's say you used one of the $2 printables, one of the $3 printables, you would pay $11.98. You get $10 in extra care bucks back, making it $1.98 for both. But they both count towards Beauty Club of spend 30, get 3. So it's pretty much a wash. You're getting two of these Eucerin lotions completely free. If any of that was confusing, let me know. So if you're new to shopping at CVS, you might not know that a lot of times those CRTs that we're getting, like the 4 off 18 in hair care, or the $2 micellar, a lot of those CRTs are based on your purchasing behavior. So the things that you tend to buy at the store, those are the coupons that you tend to get in your app. So for some reason, a while back, they gave me a $3 off any heartburn CRT. Well, I found these Antacids priced at $3.29 that $3 coupon applied to, making it just 29 cents. Well, since then, they continue to give me that CRT. So again, I bought these Antacids priced at $3.29. I used the $3 off digital coupon. I paid 29 cents total. Now, if you are a CarePass member, you would also get the 20% off because that is a CVS product. Another great freebie from CRTs this week are on these CVS panty liners. I had a coupon in my app this morning for $2 off any CVS liner, and these are priced at $1.39. So $1.39 came off at checkout, making it completely free. Along those lines, let me go ahead and tell you about the baby wipes. I had a $2 off any baby wipes coupon in my app when I woke up this morning. And so I found these Ultra Soft toddler wipes for $1.69. So when I checked out, that $2 coupon did apply, but it does auto deduct $1.69. So it will, if your total cost is below the value of the coupon, it's going to adjust to whatever the cost of the item was. And even if you don't have a kid, this is something I like to put in the console of my car just to have it on hand. All right, Maybelline, this is a deal using a coupon that printed out of the machine last week. This week, Maybelline is on sale. Buy two, get $5 in extra care bucks back. These little individual eyeshadows are $4.39 each. So I bought two of them for a total cost of $8.78. I had a $4 off any Maybelline makeup coupon. So I paid $4.78 and I got $5 in extra care bucks back, making this free and a 22-cent moneymaker. But again, this also counts towards Beauty Club, so you're getting some additional cash back on that as well. The oral care deals were pretty great this week. The Colgate, these Colgate Total, and this is a 4.8 ounce. These are priced at $4.99. And when you buy two, you get $8 in extra care bucks back. So $4.99 times two is $9.98, and you get $8 in extra care bucks back, making it just $1.98. That's without any coupons. And then I was able to print a 75-cent off coupon from coupons.com. I don't think that one is available any longer, but there is a $1 off or $1 back on the coupons.com app. So I had the 75-cent off coupon, then I got $1 back on coupons.com, making these like 22 cents total. So that was a really great deal on the Colgate toothpaste. Super awesome deal on the Suave body wash. The men's is what they had at my store. They are two for $3.50. And when you buy two, you'll get $2 in extra care bucks back. That was actually not in the ad. So it's just kind of a deal that they have going on that's unadvertised. I had $1.50 off digital coupon. Apparently, I didn't know that I did because I had also clipped the $1 coupon from one of the inserts, and they ended up both coming off at the register. So I paid $1 and I got $2 in extra care bucks back, making it free and $1 moneymaker. Let me tell you about this one next. Cotton balls. I know I've promised not to buy any more cotton balls, but they're priced at $2.59 at my store, or 2 for $5, so you get a little bit better deal if you buy more of them. But $2.59, and I had two of the $1 off any Beauty 360 cotton purchase, so I paid a total of 59 cents for this. Not a bad deal if you're in need of some cotton balls. All right, so let's talk about the Crest deal. I had a $4 off a $20 Crest purchase. So I combined two different Crest deals, okay? I combined the buy one mouthwash, get $3 in extra care bucks back, along with the toothpaste deal of buy three, get $5 in extra care bucks back. So let me walk you through it. This is priced at $3.99. When you buy it, you're going to get $3 in extra care bucks back. I also bought an Oral-B toothbrush. This is the cross action all-in-one. Also $3.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon for this. There is a $1 off coupon for the mouthwash in the Procter & Gamble insert. I then bought 3 of these Crest with scopes. These were priced at $4.39 each, but there was a $5 off 3 coupon, a digital coupon in the CVS app. So let me tell you how it shook out. There's the mouthwash at $3.99, all 3 of these at $4.39 each, and then the Oral-B toothbrush at $3.99. So that was $21.15 before coupons. I had the $4 off a $20 Crest purchase CRT. I had a $5 off 3 Crest digital coupon. I had the $1 off Oral-B digital coupon. I had the $1 off mouthwash coupon from the Procter & Gamble. Now, another $1 off Crest toothpaste digital glitched and came off as well. So that left me paying $9.15. I got back $5 in extra care bucks for buying the toothpaste. I got back $3 in extra care bucks for buying the scope. I got back $1 on Ibotta for buying the toothbrush. And I got back 50 cents on Ibotta for buying the scope mouthwash, making it completely free and a 35-cent moneymaker. So had that $1 digital not glitched, I would have paid just short of $1 for all of it, which is still an amazing price. But it ended up being free and a little bit of a moneymaker because of that coupon also coming off. So again, like I said, about $100 worth of products for free, and I made just over $1 buying it all, which was incredible. If you are not already following me over on my Facebook page, you can find me at facebook.com/savingwithchristina, as well as on Instagram at savewithchristina. If you all have any questions regarding this, please let me know down in the comments below. I am happy to help you. Don't forget a couple of things real quick that I haven't mentioned. Scan your receipt to pggoodeveryday.com because you can earn points for the different Procter & Gamble products that you buy, and you can exchange those points for gift cards. So I bought a number of Procter & Gamble products in this haul, so that will get me closer to, I normally cash out to a $5 gift card to either Dunkin' Donuts or Domino's Pizza. I think Starbucks is also on there. So a little added perk of buying these products. And then there was one more thing I wanted to tell y'all. Oh, don't forget to scan your receipts to the Fetch Rewards app. So none of these items actually had a specific Fetch Rewards rebate, but when you scan your receipts, you're always going to get points back on Fetch Rewards, and those points will accumulate over time, so you can earn those gift cards through Fetch as well. If you're new to the Fetch Rewards app, I do have a referral link down in the description box below where you can grab the app and gain an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. Hope y'all have a fantastic week and stay tuned for some awesome videos coming up. Thanks.